everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to Dashing Through the Snow Tablescape. This collaboration is hosted by Glamour Queen of DIY, co-hosted by the following: At Home with Mary J, Uneatly Tae, Glamour Ellen, creatively MsMe. Hope you enjoy what I've created and the little sleigh I found at the thrift store that I redid. And also, please go and subscribe and check out the playlist of all my friends, because you know they're going to come up with some creative things too. And they're all going to be different and they're all going to be fun. I can't wait to watch. Thanks for joining, and please subscribe for more ideas on how to decorate your home, DIYs, and some cooking every now and then. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, here is my Dashing Through the Snow tablescape. As you can see, black tablecloth to make it look more dramatic with all the white and silvers. Here's our napkin, and the charger plate, wine glass, and cup came from the Dollar Tree. And our napkin ring was a DIY I made. Our sleigh was one I found at a thrift store for $4. And I just added the dramatic winter florals with poinsettias and hydrangeas and all the sparkly things. And of course I added a Dollar Tree Christmas tree in the back to make more white pine. And I added the bling, some gifts, and an ornament to make it a little bit more dramatic and glam. And then, of course, I found these reindeer to look like it was pulling the sleigh. I found those at Big Lots. And our table runner is fur with gold stars to make more of the glam appearance in the snow. Just a simple tablescape for me and my husband. And as you can see, here's the arrangement from the back. My biggest thing is I don't like them too tall, because it's nice to see the person across the table from you sometimes. In a later video, I will be taking this sleigh arrangement and turning that into a beautiful New Year's arrangement, because it's nice to know how to repurpose your Christmas decor into a New Year's decor.